Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to put videos side by side in CapCut, a super useful trick for edits, comparisons, or creative layouts. Let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC or mobile device. Click on New Project, and then import the videos you want to place side by side. Drag your first video down to the timeline. Now click Add Overlay and select your second video to add it on top of the first one. Double-click inside the Preview Player Zone to activate video editing. Now resize the second video by dragging the corners and move it to the left side of the screen. Select your first video, resize it, and move it to the right so both videos sit side by side perfectly. Make sure they are aligned and cropped if needed for a clean look. That's it. You now have two videos playing side by side in your CapCut project. And that's how you put videos side by side in CapCut, quick and easy. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more editing tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.